Hey everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to our family of Stinky-Be-Gone Air Fresheners, now available in 3 unique formats: the spray, the vent clip, and the hanging paper air freshener. Banishing those unpleasant odors haunting your interior has never been so effortless or smelled so good. Our Stinky-Be-Gone Air Fresheners replace those funky smells with one of our long-lasting, refreshing fragrances. Each format is available in 5 captivating scents: Redline Cherry, which is an intoxicating blend of sweet cherry, delicious berries, and subtle coconut; Monkey Gas, a tangy tropical fragrance of banana, fresh grapefruit, and strawberries; JDM Squash, a beloved, bright citrus melody complemented with berry and subtle sandalwood; Fine Leather, which captivates the luxurious aroma of fine Italian leather; or Light 'em Up, a blend of aromatic cypress with hints of driftwood, sparkling citrus, and white musk. No matter your scent or format preference, you're sure to find the perfect match for you. Let's start with the Stinky-Be-Gone Air Freshener sprays. These sprays provide instant, customizable odor control whenever and wherever you need it. Utilizing advanced zinc-based odor neutralizing technology, these sprays actively reduce foul odors by encapsulating and absorbing odor-causing molecules. This easy-to-apply fragrance can be misted directly onto carpets, floor mats, or even under seats. And depending on your personal preferences and the strength of the foul odor you're battling, you can adjust the amount of sprays applied to achieve perfect results every time, even when you're dealing with the most stubborn of smells. The convenient 8-ounce bottle with a leak-free trigger can be stored at arm's reach in your glove box or door pocket for quick, on-the-go freshening. If you want an option with a more hands-off approach, we also offer these scents in a vent clip design. This sleek and subtle design seamlessly integrates with your car's interior, providing a minimalistic look while nodding to your favorite premium car care product brand. It's super easy to install. Simply clip it onto your vent, set the adjustable lever to your desired fragrance strength, and your vehicle's airflow will do the rest, circulating the fragrance evenly throughout your interior. This passive, low-maintenance air freshener method is great for up to 30 days of continuous freshness. If this low-key design isn't your jam and you want something with a little more personality, you'll love our hanging air fresheners. These traditional paper air fresheners not only smell great, but also feature eye-catching designs inspired by your favorite vehicles. Whether hanging from your rearview mirror, in your closet, garage, or even your laundry room, this is a simple, no-fuss solution for up to 30 days of freshness. Due to the sick designs, the fun lasts long after the fragrance fades. You'll want to keep these hanging around as decorative pieces. So whether you're looking for customizable odor control with the spray, effortless freshness with the vent clip, or a touch of style with the hanging air fresheners, our Stinky-Be-Gone family of air fresheners has something for everyone. No matter which one you choose, you can count on long-lasting, refreshing scents that keep your vehicle's interior fresh and inviting. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.